In this video, we are going to explore how to solve a quadratic using the quadratic formula. Now we know this is a quadratic because its highest power is 2, and we see also an x and a number, and the general form of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, so that fits that perfectly. Now the quadratic formula, let me write it out for you. To solve that is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now that's all under your radical, all over 2a's. So in this particular equation, our a is 1, our b is 2, and our c is negative 3. So let's put those into the equation. Now, when I put them into the equation, I try to do it a very kind of methodical way every single time. So when I see negative b, I think of it as the opposite of b. So I write the opposite of b. When they say to do b squared, I actually will do that in my head most times. So b squared is 2 squared, which is 4. And then the next I will even do in my head or in a calculator or on some paper, I will do negative 4 times our a value times our c value. And so by doing that, we can see that that's going to be 2 negatives making a positive, and then 4 times 3 is 12. And then it's all over 2a's. Now a is 1, I do this part in my head too. 2a's would just double that and make it 2. Now by doing that little trick by taking the opposite of b, actually squaring b, actually doing negative 4 times a times c, I usually will avoid making any mistakes in my order of operations. So that's why I do that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get that square root to be a number. 4 plus 12 is 16. And if we can reduce that square root, let's do that now. Well, the square root of 16 we know is 4. Now there's really 2 math equations here. There's negative 2 plus 4 over 2. So if we do negative 2 plus 4, that's 2 over 2. Or negative 2 minus 4 over 2. Well, negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6 divided by 2. So we get 2 answers, 1 or negative 3. So that's how you solve a quadratic with the quadratic formula. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching. If you could like this or share it or subscribe, I would appreciate it. Thanks.